We're in the atoll of Ahe. We're having a great time here. The people on shore are very, very friendly. It's beautiful, palm trees, nice sea breeze. Color of the water is just like you see in movies, turquoise, and there's some great white sharks on the outside of the reef, and they do come into the reef as far as going through the pass. Very dangerous. However, in here, the villagers say that you can actually go down and hug the sharks. I don't think I'll be doing that, but apparently it's no problem to go and do some diving or some snorkeling, which we're just about to do. Mom. Beautiful out here, windy. Well, we're heading out to the other end of the anchorage and off to Tahiti tomorrow. And we're having a great time.
We left that afternoon, and by evening we had a lovely sunset over one of the atolls. We had a really good sail from there on. Took us about 4 or 5 days. Good sailing, wind in the right direction, really nice, good days. And we arrived in Tahiti early in the morning, very still, and we had to motor in fact. And that night we had a really good evening on the town, as you're just about to see. After a few days in Tahiti enjoying the hustle and bustle of the French way of life there, we sailed 12 miles across to Moorea, beautiful island, supposed to be one of the most beautiful islands in the world. And we cruised around there for a few days and really enjoyed ourselves.
Hi! Making rice salad here for Phil and Graham and Bob. Have to feed those boys, you know.
Gotta look after him. And this is Graham.
Evening all.
He's very good at kicking home the booze.
As you notice, I brought the
He's a good lad. He's all right.
the amber nectar from the Caribbean.
And this is Phil, the shy one. Of course, he's in the dark here, but you can just about make him out. But he's a Aussie cum Kiwi, right?
Yeah, out of sight, out of mind. Eh?
Out of sight, out of mind. Right. Well, he took a picture of me, so I thought I'd get my own back. Good on, Phil.
Yeah, you go on there.
Look at this. Going for the booze again. Jesus Christ.
Well, you've got to do something.
This guy survived 2 hurricanes. You wouldn't think. He used to be 6'1". Sort of knocked him down a bit.
Yeah, well, at least the boat can't be that steel, eh?
Funny you should say that. This guy may hold the record for the fastest trip from Galapagos to the Marquesas. Dan bugger, he left a day ahead of us, and we only made up over 22 days. We made up about 18 hours on him. That's not good. And his boat is what, 24?
23 foot.
23 foot. And I have an 18 footer. No. This is Graham on his boat Steal Away. It's only 23 feet. Later on he went on to go around Cape Horn and then sail non-stop back to England. Quite a feat for a boat that size. Hello. Well, today we're being towed. We broke our propeller shaft. 1-inch piece of stainless steel snapped clean in two last night. And some marvellous people we know on a boat called Akvavita out of Bristol in England. They've come out about 10 miles to get us, and they're towing us in now. And we've heard of another boat now that apparently may have a propeller shaft for us. So I'm going for a pretty good low this morning. About 6 o'clock we found the shaft had broken. By the time we opened her up and looked at it, and we've been running all night, so we're pretty tired. There is some hope we may have one here, otherwise Venus said they're going to tow me to Tahiti, which is another 20 miles tomorrow. And then I can get one in Tahiti, I'm sure. And Danielle, who's holding the camera here, is going to be flying out on Monday. Today is Saturday. So everything's happening all at once. And then I've got some crew coming in Tuesday. It's going to be a very busy week. And I've got to get the boat fixed as well. It's a tough life sailing. It's all this pressure. It's awful. I don't know how I do it. Anyway.
Hello.
What are we doing?
We're doing bad things. We're coming to Tahiti so I can leave, and it's awful. That's what we're doing. But it's a beautiful day. We had a good sail. Spinnaker out. And we're being towed in right now by Danica. Hopefully Bob will get his prop shaft fixed real quick so he can be on his way to beautiful places again. Oh.
Well, sadly, Danielle had to leave. And then another friend joined me called Chiki, or Chikako. And she joined me, and then we sailed on up to Bora Bora, very beautiful place. And we stayed here for a couple of weeks before we headed on further on across the Pacific.